Happy 4th of July, everyone. Very timely on the 4th of July, we're going to talk about another USA made tool. All right, today we're not in the shop, we're on the river, but we're going to talk about these new, I guess they're new, Craftsman Made in the USA Snap Ring Pliers. Let's get started. Now, are these Craftsman USA made snap ring pliers made in the now defunct factory in Fort Worth, Texas? So some of you may or may not know that Craftsman was opening a hand tool plant in Fort Worth, Texas, and was scheduled to start production and distribution sometime this year, but word has it is that they have decided not to open that plant and close it down and cease all manufacturing. So was this tool made in that factory prior to it shutting down? I really don't know. A lot of boat noises here today. Okay, so these are made in the USA Craftsman retaining ring pliers, better known as snap ring pliers. These are internal and external. There's your switch there. They will do internal 1 3/8 inch and external 1/4 inch. I believe that's what that means. Not really sure. That means how much it squeezes it on a 2-inch snap ring. I believe that's how. One of the things on Craftsman is if you see this little flag right here, that means it was made in the USA, of course, with global components. Not sure what that means. I believe there's a channel lock version of these, probably made in the same factory, but are these made in the Fort Worth factory? I doubt it, but you never really know. I heard that some of the Fort Worth USA made stuff was actually distributed prior to it shutting down. There is your part number there. All right, let's open it up and see what the first impressions are. All right, first impressions, they look pretty good. This actually has the old style Craftsman comfort grip. I like this better than the new plasticky stuff you see on some of the tools at Lowe's. But anyhow, you have the spring feels really good. You have your internal and external switch. So notice I've got it on internal, so when you squeeze it, it goes this way, and when I flip the switch, it reverses it. The switch feels really good. Says USA there, and you know, just pretty much looks like any other snap ring pliers, but seems to be of good quality. And these are the tips. It comes with a little extra couple of set screws in case you lose it, and they are different colors, and you need to be aware of that. These are the copper ones that are in there, and there's some hardened steel ones and just some regular steel ones. Because if you use the wrong tip, you might snap the tip off. So do a little bit more research on your own to see which tip should work. I'm no master at that, but I do know they will break because it's happened before to me. Okay, there are the little set screws. You've got one in each, and you get a couple of extra with this. And here, of course, it has the lifetime warranty that all Craftsman products still have. There are your specifications. I did not get these at Lowe's. I found these at Ace Hardware. I hope everyone has a great 4th of July weekend, and this helps make you make a more informed buying decision. Have a great weekend. Happy 4th of July.